Today we're at 1222 Harrison Avenue. We're gonna enter through the front porch into the foyer. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offered by Barron's Property Managers. Through our foyer, we have a nice access into our great room, dining room, and kitchen. There is tile throughout the living areas and then carpeting in the bedrooms. We have a nice fireplace as a focal point. Bar top for our kitchen. We have access to our backyard as well through the living room, so we'll take you out there. It does have a fenced-in backyard and covered patio. Perfect for families. Coming back inside now, we'll show you the kitchen. Off of the kitchen, we have our laundry area and access to our 2-car garage. So here's our pantry, and here is our laundry room. Lots of good storage space in here. And then through this door here, we have our 2-car garage. Again, lots of good storage space in here as well. Now we'll head into the master suite. So we're gonna go just across the foyer here. Here's that master bedroom. Again, carpeting in the bedrooms. This master suite does have a bathroom attached to it. So we'll take you in there. So we have our 2-sink vanity. We also have a large soaker tub as well, a storage closet, and a nice walk-in closet as well. Here's that closet space. Heading back out now, we'll take you to the other bedrooms. These are located on the opposite side of the home and down a short hallway along with its hall bathroom. So we'll go all the way to the end first. And here's that hall bathroom. And then we have our nice tub behind the door as well. Storage closet for towels and amenities. So here are our 2 bedrooms. Here's the first. Nice good size, looks into the backyard. It has a very nice size closet as well. Coming back out now, we'll take you into the last bedroom. Again, also looking into the backyard. And nice closet space as well. We'll head back into the living area now. Again, this is 1222 Harrison Avenue, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. Also on our website at barronspm.com.